Okay, this is PreCalc assignment 28, chapter 3-2, calculated question, evaluating common logarithms on the calculator. So use the calculator to evaluate the function f of x equals log x at each value of x. So log x means log base 10 of x. So you don't have, if it's nothing is between log and x, it's you assume there's a 10 there, okay? So log base 10 of 10 is, a must be 1. So let's see if it works. So log key is right here, this TI-84. So log base 10, if you plug in 10 and close the parenthesis, hit it, so it's 1, okay? Next question, log base 10 again, so log 1/3. 1/3, you have to enter 1 divided by 3 and close it. This is my, okay? Now last one, no, letter C, log 2.5 and 3 here, okay? Now last one is a little tricky. If there's such a number, unless it's a imaginary number. So if you, let's see, if you plug in log base -2, what will happen? Error, okay? When you hit there, you have to quit and go here, okay? This is what I have. Let's see, answer key from example 2. Oh, not this one. Okay, so last one is there. 1, -0.47, 0.39. Yeah, exactly same, it matches, okay? So let's move to example 3. Example C, before you do example C, you have to look at this property of logarithm. One thing you have to emphasize the inverse properties here. And so let's do this one. So this one, you don't need a calculator, so it's not the calculator question. So maybe you can think about a little bit about exponents here, exponential function. So 4 to the log base 4 of 1, which is 4 to what power is 1. So let me write down. So 4 to, I just use x for now, 4 to x for exponents, okay? X power equal 1. So any numbers to zero's power is 1. So it must be log base 4 of 1 is, must be 0, okay? So this solve for x, if I ask you to solve for x, it's going to be 0. So this answer is 0. First one is 0. Okay? Next, if you write down same way, let me cut and paste here. Right, put cut and paste here. Let me read it first. Log base 7, log base square root 7 over square root 7. So if I write down here, this shows up square root 7. This one doesn't look like exponents, but it's exponents. Let's see. This is square root 7 here. Okay, square root 7 of what exponent is? Square root 7. Obviously, x equals 1. So just plug in 1. Okay, this is inverse function. Let's think about this expression. So 6 and 6 to the 20th power. When you look at the inverse properties right here, it's obviously this x number carries on to the front, right? So not front, it just carries on to appear here on the other side. So obviously you can remember if you see this exponents, if it's exponents has a log base and the same number here, this number carries on. So answer is, this is answer is 20. So let's see if I can prove that. But prove means, we use a similar example. I use exponents too, so you might be familiar with exponents, not exponents, bases too. 2 to negative first power is 1 over 2. 2 to the 0th power is 1. 2 to the half power, which is square root 2, right? 2 to first power is 2. 2 to second power is 4. 2 to the third power is 8. So now you remember this. Okay, now I rewrite everything here on the same equivalent to that. I write down in logarithm expression. So log base 2 of square root 2, which one is that? Obviously, 2 to what power is square root 2? So it's going to be half. So this is going to be the answer right here, right? 2 to what power is 2? 1. So you see, those are inverse. So 2 to what power is 4? So now it's the inverse. Now you plug in here. So I use this one as an example because it's the easiest example. 2 to the second power is 2. So now I will put this value, then this will show up, right? So this, so I use this one right here. Okay. Instead of this exponents, I put erase this and I type log base 2 of 4. What was it, 4? Yeah, log base of 4. Okay, so this number is second power, right? The 2 to second power. So this means I put the equal sign. Base is 2. This is exponent is 2. So it becomes 4 here. So I make it a little smaller and you can see a little better. So when I say 2, it will come out. I don't know better expression will better come out. So this last number is just will come out here. So that's what I'm saying. So let's use something weird number, this one. Let's use this one if it works. So now log base 2 of, let's put the negative, I'm sorry, half, right? So instead of 4 this time, I put half. Let's see. Let me move around. I cut and paste, and I erase this side. Now, I will put, oh, I put the parentheses 1 over 2. So now, 2 to what power is 1/2? So obviously it's a negative first power, right? So this means same as equal sign, base is 2, exponents is negative first power. What is this? 2 to negative first power is fraction, put 1 and 2 to the first power in the denominator. So let's compare with green marker. So this number appears on last number on log function. I hope you understand. This is not a proof, but this is the concept of inverse property. Okay. Now I play the guitar, so I hope you can enjoy your weekend. Let's see, what should I play? Um, this is a piece called jazz standard called "I Remember You." Have a nice weekend. And see you next week.